get them up. Everybody up, love we look, yeah, get them up. Yeah.
Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel guys. So tonight we're doing a POV drive. As y'all could see, I got the GoPro on right now. I got it connected to the phone, so I could like do everything right here. But we're doing a POV drive. So right now I'm on my way home. I'm about to jump on the 95. And first and foremost, make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe. And let's get into the video, man. So yeah guys, we about to jump on the 95 right now. There's a little traffic on the road. And also finally this this got delivered this morning, the log tool key that I needed. I don't know if y'all could see right here. It's number 30. This is what I needed like the last 2 videos ago when the tire was flat, so I needed this to take off the tire. So now I got it brand new. So now we could change the color on the caliper. So tomorrow we're gonna go to the tire shop tomorrow, so we could take the lugs off, because I got a drill, but it can't take off the lug because they're too tight on the wheel. They're too tight, so I'm gonna have to get like a hydraulic impact, or the air gun I should say. So yeah, so stay tuned for that tomorrow. And I got an exhaust video coming too, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna put on the single exit on the 535. So we're on the 95 right now guys, but I guess I'm gonna have to go over into the express lane, because I think there's a lot of traffic up there, so I'm gonna have to go over there. So soon, as I said, y'all gonna have like the exhaust clip, and also I'm gonna put the 360 cam on the back, so y'all could like hear the exhaust and all of that. So stay tuned for that, man. Got a lot of mods coming for the car, so make sure y'all watch the full videos, so y'all could get the update on what's going on, and stay in tune with the build. Yeah guys, but let's get it rolling, man. Good thing we came into the express lane, because look at this shit, a lot of damn traffic. Probably there's an accident on the road or something, but over there is jammed up. Let me go over this side real quick. probably exiting right here too. Yeah, he coming off right here. But it smells like he's on E. Okay guys, so I stopped by the side of the road right now. I'm gonna do like with a video with the 360 cam, so y'all could hear like the turbo spool before I put on the upgraded custom intake. So I'm gonna put it like right here. I'll put it like right here, and we're gonna do like a video, man. Let me put it on real quick. Let's set this shit good. Yeah, this one ain't set good. I'm gonna have to make sure it's good on this, and also set it like this. Make sure everything is good, and then set it up. So get off this screen and let's get it. I'm gonna have to connect my phone to it though. I'm gonna have to connect it like this. So you go on your 360 cam, go on the Wi-Fi settings, press connect and join. So it's joining right now, so let's see. So there you go, guys. You could do it like this. All right, let's go. So I'm gonna do some exhaust noise for y'all. So let's get it. Okay guys, so that's gonna be the end of the video. Make sure y'all like, comment and subscribe, and let me know what you guys like in the comment section, man. If y'all like the full video, but make sure y'all watch the full video. And peace. I'll catch you in the next one.